Hello children, today in our physical education class, we are going to learn about the game volleyball. History of volleyball. On 9th February 1895, volleyball was invented by William G. Morgan, the Director of Physical Education at the YMCA in Holyoke, Massachusetts. Federation International Volleyball Association was formed in Paris in April 1947. The game was introduced in the Olympic Games for both men and women in 1964 in Tokyo Olympics. The Volleyball Federation of India was formed in 1951. Tennis service.
There are two types of service in volleyball. First service is tennis service. Stance. The player stands comfortably with his left foot kept little forward. The ball is kept on the palm and finger of the left hand. Execution. The ball is tossed to a convenient height. As soon as the ball goes up, quickly twist the trunk to the right. The right shoulder swing forward with the right arm straight above the head and stretched. The ball is hit with the open hand. Follow through. After the service, the hitting hand is brought down and the right leg is brought forward.
Underhand service.
Next service is underhand service. Stance. The player faces the net with his left foot forward. The ball held by left hand with fingers will spread. Right hand is a little raised behind near hip level. Execution. The ball is tossed up, the arm is brought forward and upward to hit the ball under with the open hand. Follow through action. The arm action continues and arm is raised upward. A step is taken by right foot to move into the court.
Overhand pass.
There are two types of fundamental skill in volleyball. First skill is overhand pass. Stance. The player assumes a comfortable position, keeping both the feet shoulder width apart. Keep slightly flexed. Hands are raised above, keeping the upper arm parallel to the ground. The fingers are spread and wrist is turned towards the body. Execution. The ball is a little above the forehead. The inner part of the finger is in contact with the ball, and with a quick wrist action, the ball is passed in the required direction. The elbows are straightened and the body is stretched. Follow through. The arms are stretched and the fingers face the direction of
Underhand pass.
Next skill is underhand pass. Stance. We use the underhand pass when the ball is below our forehead. Get your body into the next position, knees bent, arms extended out in front of you and parallel to the ground. Execution. The ball is in contact at the center with the forearms. The force is given by moving the arms forward, upward, towards the desired direction. The elbows are straightened and shoulders move upward and the body is straightened. Follow through. The elbows are straightened and Ball leans forward to the desired. Next, volleyball court measurement. This line is called end line and this line is called sideline. This line is attack line and this line is center line. Court length is 18 meters. Court width is 9 meters. Service zone is 9 meter. End line to attack line 6 meters. It's called back zone. Attack line to center line 3 meters. It's called front zone. 2 warm-up area, 2 team benches and 1 score table. Coach's restriction line 6 meters.
Volleyball net measurement. The net is 1 meter width and length is between 9.5 to 10 meters. Net height, woman net height 2.24 meters and men height net height is 2.45 meters. And gap between this net square 10 centimeter. Height of the post should be 2.56 meters and it's placed 1 meter away outside of the line.
Rules of the game: 6 main players, 6 substitution players. Duration of the timeout 30 seconds. Toss. The winner of the toss chooses either the right serve or receive the side. Another team choose alternative. Timeout. Each teams are allowed 2 timeout per set of 30 seconds. 2 technical timeout 60 seconds. Service. The ball should be served within 8 seconds. The match will be started by service. Ball dimension. Ball circumference 65 to 67 centimeter. Diameter 20.7 centimeter to 21.3 centimeter. Ball weight minimum 260 grams, maximum 270 grams.
Thank you, students. We shall meet in the next class.